will do our best for this song. This is our national anthem. The words may not mean anything to you because you won't understand it, but it's just like singing your national anthem, how much we love our country, and how much we pay respect and love for the people who died for this country to keep freedom and democracy alive until today, and hopefully until the next generation.
Bayang magiliw, pero sa silanganan, alam ng puso, sa ibig mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyang ka ng magitin, sa manlulubig, di ka masisi. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bukaw, may nilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang isa't ng mataw at may tagumpay na nanginginig, ang bituin ng araw ng kailan, ang maling at